Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your ear pads for the Drop Fostex X00 headphones. To remove the ear pads, you'll have to twist them counterclockwise to remove them. Remember to take the ear pad mount out of the headphone. It's the plastic clip that you'll need later. Take your new Dekoni audio ear pads and get ready to apply them to the headphone. To do this, you'll have to put the plastic clip inside of the lip of the Dekoni audio ear pads. Typically with headphones, the thicker part of the ear pad goes towards the back and the shorter part towards the front. You can line up the seam of the ear pad with the yoke screw to get correct application. Take your ear pads and look at the mount and make sure to line it up with the holes of the headphone. Twist clockwise to lock it into place. Repeat the process once more for the other side. Now, enjoy your new Dekoni audio ear pads, and thanks for watching.